So welcome to this session everyone students. Now we are going to learn your properties of rational numbers. As you already know that we learned basics of your number system. That earlier you have learned about natural numbers. If you are adding zero in natural numbers, those will become whole numbers. In whole numbers, if you include negative integers, it will become integers. And if you include fractions in integers, this will become rational numbers. Now anytime till class 7th, whichever number system you learn, whether it is natural or whether it is whole or whether it is your integers, every time you have learned few things or few properties of this number system. As for example, whether these are commutative or not, whether these are having closure property or not, whether they are having associative property or not, whether they are having distributive property or not. Yes or no? Do you remember this everyone? जब भी आप नई नई नंबर सिस्टम पढ़ते हो उसके लिए ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज आप पढ़ते हो कि उसमें से क्या वो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई होती है, कम्यूटेटिव सेटिस्फाई होती है, एसोसिएटिविटी सेटिस्फाई होती है कि नहीं. सेम थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू सी इट नाउ कि क्या रेशनल नंबर में कैन यू अप्लाई क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, can you apply commutative property, can you apply associativity property. Now before applying these properties, yes, Niketan is asking, sir, what about distributive property? Distributive property we will learn in next section, that is 1.2. But before 1.2, in 1.1 just we need to learn these three properties. Now before learning these properties, you should be able to remember processes as well. That means this properties, this you have to apply on which process? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Are you getting my point, everyone? Please give me some response, right? So let us see one by one. You have to check three properties on four processes. Now, not right at this time. At this time, just pay attention on screen. Okay. After that, I'll give you time to write. Okay. So first I will write all the different processes in two numbers. I can have addition. Just pay attention over here, addition. I can have subtraction. I can have multiplication. Or I can have division. Is this clear, everyone? These are the four processes available. Any other process you know so far? Sit straight, everyone. Sit straight. आलस मत करो. हाँ, straight बैठो. If your spinal cord will be straight, you are going to have so many advantages. First advantage, the spinal cord is directly connected with your brain. Straight बैठ के पढ़ाई करोगे, बहुत अच्छे से आपके दिमाग में सारी चीजें जाएंगी. सोचो मैं भी आपके जैसे बैठ के पढ़ाऊं तो एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन, कोई पढ़ेगा? हाँ या ना? टेल मी. सो सिट स्ट्रेट. ऐसे सपोर्ट मत लो. आपको सपोर्ट लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. भगवान ने हमारा जो स्ट्रक्चर बनाया ना, गॉड हैज मेड दिस वेरी बेस्ट स्ट्रक्चर. दिस हेड इज ऑलरेडी हैविंग द सपोर्ट ऑफ नेक विथ आवर बॉडी, राइट? नो नीड टू गिव इट अनदर सपोर्ट लाइक दिस. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट एवरीवन? यस और नो? जिसके पास अगर नेक नहीं है वो सपोर्ट लेके बैठे हैं तो ठीक है. अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम कोई सपोर्ट ले रहा है, अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर नॉट हैविंग नेक. Clear, everyone? Right? Sit straight. There are so many advantages of sitting straight. I will explain you one by one. As of now, this is enough. Okay. Now we will check closure property. We will check commutative property. And we will check associativity property. Then we will also check about your distributive property, existence of identity element of addition, identity element of multiplication, inverse number with respect to, or I can say particularly additive inverse, multiplicative inverse, that we are going to see in next section. In this section, only these three property and four processes. Okay. Now, so before starting the class, Can you tell me, or before starting all these properties, can anyone tell me what do you mean by closure property? Raise your hand. Closure property का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of closure property? I want response from each one of you. Samarth, Pragati, Madhurnath, Sunena, Shravya, Laikita, Mansa. Right? नहीं, अभी लिखना नहीं है. Harsh, Divyesh, Adarsh, who will tell me? Shri Charan, what is the meaning of closure property? जितना आपको याद हो. यॉर्निंग नहीं रोहित, नो यॉर्निंग एट ऑल. यॉर्निंग क्यों आ रही है? आराम से मैं यॉर्निंग करते करते पढ़ो क्या? कोई पढ़ेगा? यॉर्निंग कर रहे हो चीटर्स, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. यस अक्षित, टेल मी.
Sir, closure property means that which number are closed is rational number is closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division.
Okay, closure property means if you are applying any process, right? Suppose if you are applying any process between two numbers, a and b are two numbers, you are applying star process between them. If a is rational number, b is rational number, their answer c is also rational number, then you can say that yes, they are closed under their property. Is this clear, everyone? As for example, if their addition is giving you rational number as answer, so they are the addition is closed, right? Rational numbers are closed under addition. Similarly, if their subtraction is going to give you rational number, they are closed under subtraction. If their multiplication will also give you rational number, they are closed under multiplication. If their division is also giving you closed number, rational number, they are closed under division. Is this clear, everyone? Please give me some response. Now understand one thing, students. Whenever I am teaching you any topic, at that time don't ask your doubt. First understand and listen to that topic carefully. After that, if you are having doubt, then ask. Please give me some response. If you listen carefully, your majority of the doubts will get solved. Now here Divyesh, and one by one. Yes, Divyesh, what you are telling? One time break up. Break up means what, Divyesh? Again and again you are writing in chat box. Unmute yourself, Divyesh. What you want to tell? Tell me, Divyesh. What you want? Unmute yourself. Tell me. Divyesh. Wait. Yes, tell me, Divyesh, what you want?
Sir, one time drag up, sir.
Drag up this. What you want? Drag up means scroll up, that you are telling. What you want to write? Divyesh, unmute yourself. Divyesh.
No, sir, I had done, sir. I was getting that spelling mistake, sir, because I was not written that.
Already available in module. And once I will finish, I will give you time to write all these things. Right? So better.
No, sir, about this chat.
Whatever chart or anything, if I am explaining, then you must listen. You are writing continuously in chat box, drag up, drag up, drag up. Then what you are going to listen? What you understood about closure property? Tell me. I have explained you closure property. What you understood about closure property? Tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me what you understood about closure property. See, students, if you want to learn subject effectively, you have to be disciplined in the class. जब टीचर्स आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं तब अच्छे से पढ़ो, अच्छे से ध्यान दो. वो टाइम पे कोई दूसरे सिली क्वेश्चंस मत पूछो. जब भी आप सिली क्वेश्चन पूछते, कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हो, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि नहीं, बोलो. कोई भी डाउट हो, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि नहीं बताता हूँ. टेल मी एवरीवन. I will clear all your doubts. This is my responsibility. But you have to be attentive in class. That is your responsibility. Is this clear? तो क्लास में जब हम पढ़ा रहे हैं तब उधर ध्यान दो. लिखने का टाइम मिलेगा. पहले ही मैं 3 बार बोल चुका हूँ कि अभी मत लिखो, अभी मत लिखो. I have told you or not, everyone, right? So next time पे ध्यान दो दिवेश. बात का बुरा मत बनाना, बुरा मत लगाना, बट ये आपकी भलाई के लिए. Now, Purvi is telling sir, closure property in addition means when we add 2 or more numbers, the answer is in whole number. नहीं, answer should be rational number only. दो rational number को add करके अगर rational number आ रहा है, so rational numbers are closed under addition. Two whole numbers को add करके if you are getting whole number, then whole numbers are closed under addition. Understood the property, Purvi? Sure. Brinda is telling sir, when any rational number a star b is equal to rational number c, then it is known as closure property. Yes, very good, Brinda. That only. Purvi understood? Everyone understood about closure property? First, let us see examples. If we are going to see example, then you are going to have a very good idea. See, For addition, if I'm checking any example, suppose I'm taking any two rational number. Okay. Suppose I'm taking one rational number 1/2, another rational number 2. Let us take 5/2. Okay. 1/2 and 5/2. Can you add both of them, everyone? What will be the answer? Rupa, can you tell me that their addition?
Yes, sir. 6/2. Sir,
6.
that is 3.
3. Is it rational number?
Yes, sir. 3/1 we can put it as
Yes.
rational number.
It is a rational number. Since it is rational number, can I say that rational number are closed under addition?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Rupa. Understood?
Thank you,
everyone?
sir.
Right. Next. Similarly, now let us give chance to Mridul. Mridul, let us apply subtraction between these two. 5/2
Okay,
and
sir.
1/2. What will be their subtraction?
Sir, 4/2.
4
Sir,
by
that is 2.
2. Is it rational number?
Yes, sir, it is a rational
Can
number.
I say that your rational numbers are closed under subtraction as well?
Yes, sir, you can
Agree?
say.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Brinda, can you tell me about multiplication? Same example, I am taking 1/2 into 5/2. What will be
Yes,
the
sir. 5/4.
5/4? Is it rational number?
Yes, sir.
So since it is rational number, can I say that rational numbers are closed under multiplication? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now let me take example of division. So suppose same numbers, 1/2 divide by 5/2. So Janani, can you tell me this division, how we can do this? Don't worry. Don't worry if it is wrong. सर्फ एक्सेल दाग अच्छे हैं. Mistakes are good. अब आराम से बोलो. आपके दिमाग में जो भी आ रहा है मुझे बताओ. Okay? Can I write 1/2? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Can I write here 1/2 as it is?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about division? What I can do for division? Can I convert this division into multiplication, Janani?
Yes, sir.
So if I convert into multiplication, what will happen to this 5/2?
Reciprocal, sir. 2/5.
Very good, Janani. Very good. So this 2 will get cancelled out. Answer will be 1/5 or not?
1/5. Yes, sir.
So can I say they are closed under division as well?
Yes, sir.
But let me give you one example. Students, everyone. Okay, thank you so much, Janani. Now, let us ask to Amisha. Amisha,
Yes, sir.
very first question. Your IC got over?
Yes.
Now, can you tell me what about 1 divided by 0? Is 1 a rational number?
Yes, sir.
Is 0 a rational number?
Yes, sir.
What will be that division? Is 1/0 defined?
No, sir.
Not defined. So it is not defined at all. Yes or no, everyone? It is undefined. So since it is not defined, what can you say? Do your rational numbers are closed under division?
No.
Are rational number closed under division? No. Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? Right? So that's why your rational numbers are not closed under division, but they are closed under addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Is this clear, everyone? Closure property. दिव्येश, closure property में पता चल गया दिव्येश? अभी लिखना मत, अभी इधर ध्यान दो दिव्येश. Understood about closure property? Divyesh, are you there? Great, great, great. Now, here Brinda is telling, sir, but in school teacher, our teacher taught that rational numbers are closed under division. Sure. ऐसा करा है Brinda? नहीं. It should be no. नहीं. I have say given you example ना. एक बार आप school teacher से बात करना. You can check in the module as well, and NCERT में भी आप check कर सकते हो. Definitely they are not closed under division. Okay. ना रागिनी के टीचर में भी ऐसा ही हुआ और किशोर के क्लास में भी ऐसा ही हुआ. ठीक है, आप एक बार देख लेना. This is right, दे आर नॉट क्लोज्ड डेफिनेटली एंड दिस इज द रीजन. ओके, एक बार आप आपके टीचर से भी डिस्कस कर लेना. हाँ, मैम से गलती में मिस्टेक हो गई होगी, गलती से मिस्टेक, समझ रहे हो ना. डार्क अच्छे हैं, सर्फ एक्सेल. हाँ, किशोर के क्लास में आया दे आर नॉट क्लोज्ड. यस रोहित, बोलो क्या डाउट है.
सर डिवीजन में वो आया ना सर, क्लोज हुआ ना सर, 1/5 आया ना सर आंसर.
हाँ, वो पहले केस के लिए आया आंसर, बट दूसरे केस के लिए नहीं आया ना रोहित.
सर मतलब सब केसेस को मिला के बोल रहे हो सर?
हाँ, the thing is whenever if any property is defined, it should be true for all the numbers. Are you getting my point? If it is
Sir, yes, sir.
wrong, if it is wrong or if it is not coming for any one number, then that property is not defined. Clear?
Means that property is not defined under division fully.
Yes, yes, they are
Sir,
not closer.
or-
Closer property is not defined under division of rational numbers. This is the correct statement. Clear? Again, closure
Sir.
property is not defined under division of rational
Division.
numbers. Okay.
Division of rational number.
Ah.
Sir, if first number is natural number, sir,
Ah.
second number is also natural number, sir.
Ah.
In addition, sir,
Ah.
sir, if the answer comes addition natural number only, sir, then it will be closure property, sir.
Yes, then natural numbers are closed under addition. Clear? Now,
Sir, but rational number will not come, no, sir.
no, rational number will not come. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Brinda is telling that ma'am told if 1 divided by 0, we should take it as 1 multiplied by 0, then the answer would be as rational number, that is 0. No, Brinda. मैम से कोई मिस्टेक हो गई होगी, वो टाइम पे हो सकता है मैम कहीं बिजी हो लाइक दैट, बिकॉज इफ यू आर टेकिंग 1 डिवाइड बाई 0, उससे आप 1 into 1/0 लिख सकते हो. ओके, ज्यादा से ज्यादा. We cannot write 0/0. Your ma'am told to write 0/0, right? So that might be mistake somewhere. Definitely ऐसा possible नहीं है. Even 0/0 is also not defined. Okay. Now Kishore, ask your doubt.
Yeah, sir. Sir, my doubt is, sir, we will take a natural number, sir, and if we subtract it, sir, suppose, sir, if we take 2 minus 1, sir, no, sir, 2 minus 2, sir, both are natural numbers, but the answer is 0, sir. It is a whole number, sir. Sir, then natural numbers are not closed under subtraction, sir.
Very good. Not close number.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So can we move to next topic, everyone? Please give me some response. Right. Now let us see commutative property. Who will tell me about commutative property? Raise your hand. What do you know about commutative property? What is the meaning of commutative property? Raise your hand quickly. Raise your hand. Yes, Nitya, tell me. What is the meaning of commutative property?
Sir, commutative property means, sir, am I audible?
You are clearly audible, Nitya. Nitya, you are clearly audible. Can you tell me?
Sir, commutative property, for example. Yes, sir. Sir, commute means, for example, A plus B is equal to C and B plus A is equal to C.
Okay.
If the position of the operator
Okay, Nitya, got your point. Thank you so much. So if we are changing position of operators, your result will be same. If your result is same, then we can say that it is commutative. Correct, Nitya? This only you wanted to tell? Correct, na? Okay. Now see, let us see next here. Now, meanwhile, Rohit is having one more doubt. Yes, Rohit, tell me.
Sir, in closure property, sir, आपने बोला था ना सर, मतलब अगर दोनों रैशनल नंबर रहेंगे तब रैशनल नंबर या नहीं सर, तभी क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी होगा वो.
Yes.
जब किशोर ये बोला ना सर, तब आया सर ये
हाँ.
दिमाग में. नेचुरल नंबर होल नंबर है ना सर, नहीं होएगा सर क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी.
Yes.
मतलब स्टार्टिंग दो नंबर जो रहेंगे वही आना चाहिए.
Yes.
अगर होल नंबर रहेगा तो होल नंबर आना चाहिए.
हाँ. नेचुरल है तो नेचुरल आना चाहिए, रेशनल है तो रेशनल आना चाहिए. क्लियर?
सर 2 भी तो होल नंबर है ना सर.
हाँ, 2 भी होल नंबर है.
2 minus 2 0 सर, तब क्लोज्ड अंडर
See,
सब्सट्रैक्शन आएगा ना सर.
2 minus 2 equal to 0. If I am writing about natural number, so natural number are not closed under subtraction. But if I am talking about whole numbers are closed under subtraction, but natural numbers are not closed under subtraction. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Got it?
हाँ सर, हाँ सर.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Very
Thank
good.
you, sir.
Most welcome. चलो, नहीं आदर्श, बाद में एंड में. ओके, चलो अभी इधर सबका ध्यान इधर. कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी 1/2 plus 5/2 already we have done, right? Now let us do it reverse. Now let us do it 5/2 plus 1/2. Who will do this 5/2 plus 1/2 and tell me the answer? Dhatri, can you tell me what will be the answer of 5/2 plus 1/2? यस दत्री, दत्री आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Sir, अभी
ये आ रही है दत्री।
sir, it will be 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2.
Same only.
Same.
6 by 2 is equal to 3. So can I say that it is having same answer as previous one? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same answer as previous one. So can I say that rational numbers are commutative under addition? Correct? Yes or no? Right. Yes, Shravya, that was my mistake. That was my mistake. Shravya is telling, sir, even whole number are not even closed under subtraction. Yes, Shravya, that I was just explaining about that particular example. 2 minus 2, agree. Because 1 minus 2 will come minus 2. Integers are closed under subtraction. Okay. Mridul is also asking the same doubt. Whole numbers are not closed under subtraction because this was one particular example, 2 minus 2 equal to 0. If we are taking 1 minus 4, it will be minus 3. It is whole number, but their subtraction is not whole number. Okay, so whole number are not closed under subtraction as well. Okay. Then next, let us see here for subtraction whether we can apply commutative property or not. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Can anyone tell me for this 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2? Shri Charan, can you tell me what will be its answer? Can you unmute yourself, Shri Charan? Niketan, can you tell me?
Sir, it will be minus 4 by 2.
Minus 4 by 2. Is it same as previous answer?
No, sir.
No. So can I say that rational numbers are not
Numbers are not closed under
not
commutative property.
Not commutative under subtraction.
Yes, sir. Not commutative under
subtraction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us check for multiplication. Daksh, can you tell me here 5 by 2 into 1 by 2, what will be the answer?
Sir, 5 by 4.
5 by 4. So is it same or different?
Sir, it's
Same as above answer, right?
yeah, sir.
Right. So can I say that rational numbers are closed under multiplication, correct? Sorry, commutative under multiplication, correct? Okay. Rational numbers are commutative under multiplication. Is this clear? Right. Now, Manyata. Manyata. Can you unmute yourself, Manyata?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the division of 5 by 2 and 1 by 2? Earlier we were having 1 by 2 and 5 by 2, Manyata. Now we are having 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. Can you tell me the division, Manyata? Sorry, Manyata. Can you raise your hand, Manyata? Wait, I need to find you again. Wait, Manyata. I got you. Okay. Can you unmute yourself now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be this 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 2?
So it will be 5 by 2 in into 2 by 1.
Into 2 by 1. So final answer will be?
Yes, sir. It will be 5.
So
Yes, sir. 5 by 1.
same as previous answer?
Yes, sir.
No, previous answer was 1.
No, sir. Sorry, sir. No.
So can I say that rational numbers are not commutative under division, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, rational numbers are not commutative under division. Okay. Now we need to check for final property, that is associativity. Now who will tell me what is the meaning of associative property? If I am telling that two numbers are rational numbers or whole numbers, right, or natural numbers are associative under any process, then what is its meaning? What would be the conclusion? Shravya?
Yes, sir. Sir, if A, B, and C are three numbers of any category, if we specify here it's a rational number, If A, B, C are rational numbers, A star B star C, if A and B are grouped together, it should be equal to A star B star C if B and C are clubbed together.
Very good, very good. So if we are clubbing any two together first, and with its answer, if we are clubbing the third number, our final answer should be same, isn't it? So let us see one by one. Okay, let us see its example, right? One by one we will see. Here examples will be longer. Okay, Rajat, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what will be the simplification of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2? Already we have done 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2.
Sir, 3 by 2 plus bracket open 6 by 2.
Yes, 6 by 2. Next.
Then it will be 3 by 2 plus 6 by 2, that is 9 by 2.
Very good, Rajat. Now, can you tell me what will be the simplification of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2?
3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 4 by 2, that is 2 plus 5 by 2.
Which is nothing but again.
And 9 by 2.
So can I say that your rational numbers are associative under addition?
Yes, sir, it is associative under
Sure.
addition.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
numbers are associative under addition. Now, Laikita, can you unmute yourself? Laikita, can you tell me what will be simplification of this 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, or let me give you like this so that you can have easier approach. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Can you tell me simplification of this, Laikita? Laikita, are you there?
Sir.
Okay, can you tell me what will be simplification of this, Laikita?
So minus
Minus. In your background, some noise are coming, Laikita. Yukti, can you tell me? Yukti, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yukti,
So minus bracket open.
you are joined with two accounts,
Sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Minus bracket open, then
So it will become 2 by 2.
2 by 2, then 5 minus 2, 3 by 2, correct?
3 by 2. Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me what will be the answer of this? 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus half.
So 2 by 2.
2 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So final answer will be 1 by 2. Are both these answers same?
So not same.
Not same. So can I say that your rational numbers are not associative under subtraction? Correct, Yukti? Correct,
Yes, sir.
Yukti? Okay. Now, Nandish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Yukti. You can mute yourself. Nandish, can you unmute yourself? Nandish? Nandish, are you there? I think Nandish is sleeping. सारे क्लास कर करके नंदिश थक गया एकदम. Okay, Mansa, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, and
Sir, am I audible?
you are clearly audible, Mansa. So, can you tell me what will be multiplication of 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into half? I'll give chance.
So 3 by 2.
Wait. Yes, 3 by 2 into half.
So 3 by 2 into bracket open. 5 by 4.
First in the bracket, first we need to simplify bracket, Mansa. So in bracket, can I say it will be 3 by 4 or not, Mansa? Are you getting the point, Mansa? This 5 by 2 outside,
Yes,
as it is. And first we are simplifying this bracket. So isn't it 5 by 2 into 3 by 4? Isn't this will be 15
Yeah,
by
sir.
8, Mansa?
15 by 8. Yeah, sir.
Yes, thank you, Mansa. Tanmay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me if I am reversing the order, first I need to simplify 5 by 2 into 3 by 2, after that half, what will be its answer?
Sir, the answer will be 15 by 4 into 1 by 2.
Yes, it is.
Sir,
15 by
which
8.
is 15 by 8.
So can I say both these are same?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So both these are same. I can say that rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? Okay. Now, okay, Nandish, let me try one more time. Please mute yourself, everyone. Nandish, can you unmute yourself now?
Yes,
Nandish,
sir.
can you unmute yourself now? Okay, thank you, Nandish. Now, Nandish, wait just a minute, Nandish. Okay. Now, Nandish, I am giving you again one task, 5 by 2, divide by 3 by 2, divide by half. Or let me make it simpler by taking here 2. So can you simplify this and tell me how we can simplify here, Nandish? Yes, Nandish. See, first this 5 by 2 remain as it is. Can you simplify the bracket? What will be 3 by 2 divided by 2? How we can simplify this?
Sir, 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2.
Yes. Not 3 by 2 divided by 1. 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 or not? When you are converting this division into multiplication, 2 will become 1 by 2 or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is 5 by 2 divided by 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4. Again, if you are converting this division to multiplication, this will become 4 by 3 or not, Nandish? Are you getting my point? Then 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 10 by 3. Correct, Nandish? Okay. Now let me unmute Devika. Nandish, mute yourself. Devika,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me what will be simplification of this 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 divided by 2?
So, first of all, 5 by 2 into 2 by 3. So here 2 will be cancelled.
Okay. Then?
So then we'll get 5 by 3 into 1 by 2.
Okay. The answer will be 5 by 6. Are both these answers same? 10 by
No,
6.
sir.
So can I say that rational numbers are not associative under division?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rational numbers are not associative under division. Okay, thank you so much, Devika. Everyone understood this? Please give me some response. Okay. So if I tell you the summary of what this learning of 1.2 की learning की अगर हम summary देखें students, तो यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. What is the summary? Summary of this learning is, please remove your hand everyone, lower your hand everyone. Summary of this session is about whether rational numbers are closed, additive, commutative, or associative or not under different operations that we have checked so far. We understood that rational numbers are closed under addition, rational number are closed under subtraction, rational number are closed under multiplication, but they are not closed under division. In the same way, rational numbers are commutative under addition, but not commutative under subtraction, commutative under multiplication, but not commutative under division. Rational numbers are associative under addition, not associative under subtraction, associative under multiplication, but not associative under division. Is this clear, everyone? So commutative and associative property are same, right? In addition, both are possible. In subtraction, both are not possible. In multiplication, both are possible. In subtraction, both are not possible. While closure property is possible for each and every operation except division. Is this clear, everyone? Now take pen and paper and write. Okay? Pen paper लेके ये पूरा चार्ट अभी बना दो. Meanwhile, I will take your attendance. Is this clear, everyone? एंड जितने स्टूडेंट्स को बोलने का चांस नहीं मिला है वो अब एक्सरसाइज में चांस मिलेगा. किस किस को बोलने का चांस नहीं मिला है? जैसे आदर्श, हर्ष, ऋषिका, देन आदित्य, हासिनी, गर्वित, पूजा, समर्थ. आई थिंक इसके अलावा बाकी सब स्टूडेंट्स बोल चुके हैं. ओके तो हाँ, यस रागिनी, डेफिनेटली. ठीक है, आप इसको हॉरिजॉन्टली वर्टिकली जिस तरीके से लिखना चाहो उस तरीके से लिख सकते हो। ओके, आप मोबाइल स्क्रीन या लैपटॉप जो भी यूज कर रहे हो थोड़ा जूम इन करके लिखो। ओके, यस श्रीचरण, आपको भी चांस मिलेगा। नहीं, टेबल फॉर्म में लिखो तो बेटर रहेगा, राइट इट इन टेबल फॉर्म ओनली। ओके, दैट विल बी बेटर।